Today we're gonna learn how to make this beautiful zigzag leaf flower wall hanging. To do this, we need 4 colored papers, a scissor, glue, and 2 different colored sketch pen. First, cut the orange paper in half and then make a zigzag flower from it. Now make 2 of them. After that, take the blue paper and make a smaller flower from it. Now take a small piece of white paper and create a small flower just like shown in the video. When you're done, color it with the orange sketch pen. Now take the white paper again, but this time cut the flower into triangle shape and color it with the blue sketch pen. Now take the pink paper and cut 3 ribbons from it. Then take a cardboard and make a semicircle, and then glue the ribbons to the semicircle. Remember to make the length of the middle ribbon a bit more than the other 2. After that, glue the 2 orange zigzag flowers into a bigger flower. Now glue them all as shown in the video. And congratulations, you have successfully made this beautiful wall hanging. Now remember, you can choose the size and color of the papers as long as you get the fundamentals of the wall hanging. If you like this video, then consider subscribing to this channel. Share it with your friends, and just like this. I'll see you in the next video.